Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect laptop to a monitor. By the end of this tutorial you'll have a bigger screen ready for work, gaming or streaming. Firstly, check that the video ports on your laptop has an HDMI cable. Next, look at your monitor and find the video input port. It's usually on the back or bottom. Confirm it's HDMI, and a tip, if your monitor and laptop share the same port type, you're ready to connect directly. Now, use a matching cable like HDMI. If the ports don't match, buy an adapter. For gaming or high-resolution displays, choose a cable that supports 4K at 60 Hz or 120 Hz depending on your needs. Now plug one end of the cable into your laptop and plug the other end into your monitor. Turn on your monitor and most laptops will detect the monitor automatically and extend or mirror your display. If the monitor stays blank, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Click Detect if your monitor isn't showing and use the settings to choose whether you want to extend your screen or duplicate it. And that's it. You've now connected your laptop to a monitor for a bigger and better viewing experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.